This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable cups, specifically these Pulp Tech cups. We've got two sizes here, the 5 ounce and the 8 ounce. They're made from repurposed sugarcane, which is 100% commercially compostable and biodegradable, making them a fantastic eco-friendly alternative to regular paper and plastic cups. They're safe for both hot and cold foods, making them ideal for both food and beverage service. They're safe for use in both the freezer and microwave, making them great for use in reheating and also storing foods. They have a reinforced rim for increased stability. They're perfect for a variety of food establishments looking for a more eco-friendly option versus traditional cups, or for use at home or just in your office break room.